منزلينها كاملة. واش بدي فوت ما السبب كاين كنت بنسى ما تمشي الجهد ما 89 تضرب الواحد تلس.
Welcome to eBlue Gaming. We're unveiling our design-themed esports clubhouse in Casablanca, Morocco. A premier destination for next-level gaming facilities. From initial 2D and 3D concept visuals to fully customized decor and furniture, we delivered a rapid 45-day turnaround. Shipments are coordinated to Casablanca, and our Morocco-based construction team is ready to handle on-site installation, ensuring a smooth, turnkey rollout. With North Africa-wide coverage, we can transform hotels, clubs, and clubhouse spaces into state-of-the-art esports centers.
Elite music.
Ready to launch your esports facility? Just contact eBlue Gaming at inquiry@ebluegaming.com.